Steffi, ikaw ang pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng universe sa mga oras na ito. Kaya ang tingin ko sa inyo, hindi kayo tao. Hindi kayo hayop. Bagay kayo.
Ano ba nakita umiyak na lalaki? Oo, cheap ka. Alam ko dati biro eh. Parang may iyak ka talaga sana. Sabi mo pa, cheap. Diyos ko po. Aray ko.
I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward. For better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng isang taong nagpakita sa akin ng tunay na meaning ng love, respect, and
It
loyalty.
changes who I am.
So, sobrang kinakabahan, excited, na finally, official na tayo na mag-asawa tayo. Like, as what you said, we are like full family now. Naisip ko rin yung mga bata. Kamagala, mamahalin ko rin sila. Tulad na pagmamahal ko sa
I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever.
Thank you for loving me unconditionally. At higit sa lahat, salamat dahil tinupad mo yung dasal ko kay Lord na sana may isang tao na hindi ako iiwan emotionally and physically.
Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you.
Ngayon, bukas at sa lahat pa ng darating na araw. Promise to love you and take care of you. I will be your coffee buddy forever. Ito na ang simula ng pangarap. Charot. Natin pala. Mahal kita habang buhay.
They say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to
See you later sa simbahan. Mamaya rin. Mamayang gabi, after party. Yon. Gawaan na ng baby.
Cause the list of the ways that I need you would take me too long. So instead I guess I'll say I love you for worse or for better. Whenever I find the moment I met you and move on the side, your heart.
Marrying you is the best decision I've ever made. Thank you for choosing me back. Sana every time na gagamitin mo yung gift ko, maalala mo na minsan sa buhay natin may masayang alaala ng kasal natin. I love you. Malalaman.
Okay lang
Eh,
naman.
paano yan? Talagang decision ko na ba talaga?
Kaya nga,
Final answer na ba?
Finance na boy. Kapatid mo yun, boy.
Kaya nga eh.
Gigi tayo dyan. Alam mo naman yun.
Ano yung, alam mong rapper yun ha?
Hindi magsasawa sa mga rap song. Rap song mo sa akin pag nag-aaway tayo. Masahabaan ko pa, pasensya ko. At lagi kita susuyin pa din. I'll always stand by your side. Lagi ka pa din patatawanin araw-araw. I will always support you sa lahat ng desisyon na gagawin mo. I will always cherish, honor, and love you forever. Steffi Arganyosa, I'm so blessed to call you my wife, and you are the greatest gift I've ever had. I love you so much. Hi, babe. Itong match na to, patunay na kaya ko mag-intay to. I know you're the one I want to spend the whole life. You're the one I prayed for. Sana palagi mo itong usotin para naalala mo gastos natin. Bigat, sir! Aray ko! Sa kasal, I mean, maalala mo kung gano'n natin katagal pinangarap. Pinagpaguran, pinagplanuhan lahat ng to na sa Exleste 311 he has made everything beautiful in this life. I love you. See you later.
I'll love you for worse or for better. Whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I knew from the start your heart fit in mine. I'll love you in capital letters. Whatever the weather, you hold me together. I told you we'd get here. I knew from the start my heart got one thing right. You look like the rest of my life. Oh, you look like the rest of my life. Oh, I knew from the start your heart fit into mine. You look like the rest of my life.